We're going to.
We got make a video, I think.
Unboxing video. Sorry, Miss. Yeah, sorry for missing. We got.
Yeah, it'll be really quick. It's super informal.
Yeah,
alright, let's go.
It's partly for our.
You want to do it now, okay?
Yeah, it's
There we
partly
go.
for our own entertainment, so we're not.
Right,
gonna be
Miss,
like,
you can be
just
part
for
of the
fun.
video too.
No, no, no.
Alright,
boys.
座ってください。座ってく
It
ださい。
might be useful for next year's.
Oh, it's content.
Oh, let's go.
Content.
Content.
We're literally offline TV.
We're bumping it up.
Alright, get done.
Oh, this table's not even. It's like so off from the cross that like it's actually kind of sad.
It's already gone.
Alright, boys, we got a new delivery.
Let's go.
Alright, let's see what we've got in here. The first thing is. And look, we have multiple of them. But not only do we have two, we have three.
Oh, big brain.
What? What is this? Oh!
Illuminati confirmed.
It's true.
Illuminati confirmed.
There's 3 here and 3
Oh,
points.
Oh my
goodness.
Oh my
God.
And in addition to that, we have 3 more cubes.
Oh, let's
Oh my
It's
lord.
three.
Three again.
Oh,
It's literally a triangle.
What-
We
what-
should
what is-
literally
what-
name
what
ourselves
cube is this?
3 Club.
True.
And in addition, we do have competition mats. This
Yes.
is gonna help us.
Nice.
Three.
Three. 1, 2, 3.
And not only that, we have a syringe and
No, there's stuff in the syringe.
with lube.
What?
That's in here.
There's loop in this.
Yeah, I just said lube.
You said a syringe.
I mean, it is.
We have
it's
an
a syringe.
Oh my
unprepared
God.
CEO.
Yes.
Right.
And it's 3
Yeah.
too.
And that's 3 pieces
One,
of
two,
lube.
1, 2, 3.
Yo.
Containers of lube.
All right, let's get started. Hey, but before we begin, smash that like button
button.
and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hit the bell notification bell.
Alright,
Let's start with that.
let's start with this.
Alright.
But are we just gonna open random things?
Yeah, we gotta like.
Cube review.
Yeah, we need to actually.
Cube review. Cube review.
Alright, seems like he has some problems.
He's having some problems opening
knife.
the
Like,
No,
You don't need knife when I have these guns.
oh,
Let's test the corner cut.
Rubik tape.
I can't corner cut on
Wait,
straight. That means it's bad.
Oh fuck!
No, that's not how
Hey,
you open
censor,
it.
censor.
Don't worry, I'll censor it in the cut when we finish.
Alright. This is the first one.
Oh yeah, thanks student council for all the
That's a-
delicious money we spent of all the great money
Thank you
we
for
spent.
sponsoring us. Without this video, without this
A message
funding,
from our sponsor.
Yeah, a message from our sponsor.
Thank you, student council.
Yeah, student council, you're the best.
CUSD. Is the, this
I never joined student council when I was a
Wow.
Okay.
All right.
Oh, look, we have 2 4x4s. Wait, we got that many 4x4s?
Why is this actually nice?
Sandy.
Yes, very
What is
sandy.
this?
Wait, ASMR.
ASMR. Like,
Yo, if you give me these cubes, I can ASMR it.
Wait, do you guys actually watch cubing unboxing videos?
I watched it.
I have.
Dude, we're
I
basically
watched
the,
it.
we're
I watched
basically
a
the
bunch
next
of
Xbox there.
I
Wow,
actually
wow,
don't
wow.
like
Oh, it's very sandy. Very
We're literally the
Nice.
next cubicle. We're making cubicle cube review.
Wait,
Yeah.
this is so good.
This is sandy, but actually
Oh
good.
no, already.
Wait, this
already
is-
jammed. Already jammed.
This is
Yeah,
actually
it's
so
yeah.
good.
Holy, with this so nice.
Wait,
Wait,
This
this
is
is
actually
blocky,
the
but it's
goat.
actually so good.
Wait, it's better than yours.
Yeah, wait,
Wait,
I would
actually
agree.
see.
Maybe it's because it's just new.
Wait, this
Oh,
one's
it's
so
like
nice.
it's not even
good.
it's not even
It
sandy.
reminds
It's
you
like
like
it sounds sandy,
Epic.
but doesn't.
Okay, let's
feel
move
it.
on.
Yeah.
Let's move
Alright,
on.
Guys, let's move on to
put back
these.
Let's move on to
in their
the
respective
next
Yeah.
three.
With them salt.
Next
salt.
Illuminati.
Wow.
I can't even open this. My fingers are too
Is it
fat.
tape?
I'm too dummy. I'm dummy thick, boy.
Better censor that.
What? You can't be thick.
All right,
Is this
so
fat
up here we
shaming?
have the
Alright.
Yishin Little Magic.
Okay.
First impressions.
Very
Yes,
sandy.
very sandy.
Wait, I
It's
can't open
kind of
one.
greasy
Whoa.
from the package loop, but overall,
Overall,
nice.
a very solid cube.
Okay, I can't open either.
Very
Let's see.
sandy,
Oh,
like sandy cheeks.
We're gonna have to censor that too.
Oh,
What? Sandy cheeks, this SpongeBob.
Yo, what is this? What is this bad customer service? What's going on? What is this?
Whoa,
Oh,
whoa.
it's sticky.
Yo, what is this? What's going on? So, someone tell me what's going on. Cubicle.
It's a little bit worse than the one inside.
Wait, this is also the.
Oh, this one's better than the other one.
Wait, this one's better. This one in the box is better.
Just like did the video.
Yeah, I'm a
Wait,
dip. This is awesome.
Alright, let's move on. Let's move on.
I almost just
move on.
Can we put the stuff back in the box?
No,
Wait,
Bro.
why?
So that it's not messy. Like it's
okay.
so.
But I am messy.
Wait, me too.
Last night was pretty messy, Chris.
You know what I want?
Wait, this is censored.
I'm gonna censor half of it and like put like elevator music over it.
Why do we have a pair?
Dude, this is so good.
Oh yeah, right.
Wait, why is my pour so good?
This is like probably better than my main.
What?
Wait, honestly, I agree.
Alright, boys.
$50 again.
Wait,
Wait,
these are the
hold
same
on.
cubes.
Thing. Why is he doing a duplicate?
You should play.
Not allowed. Not allowed.
This is a different box.
Alright.
Therefore, we must count it as a separate product. Okay?
Comment if you want Andrew to be kicked from the club.
Hey,
Yes.
Hey,
Down
I'm
below.
counting on you guys.
Comment below.
guys, because this is a separate box, it's different than this one. We must count it as a separate product, as they have separate consumers in mind. Therefore, we have to review it as a separate
I'm
product.
talking about like.
He's got a fair argument at black level.
Affleck
analysis, guys.
I might as well
Yourself.
be Ethan Israel.
Guys,
Alright.
Why am I finding this funny?
Why do we just put it back in the box?
Guys, there's
going
three everywhere here, and act like that means it refers to the resurrection of Christ 3 times. 3 times.
Oh wait, the Father, the Son,
The
the
Alright,
Holy
guys.
Trinity.
The Father, the
We
Son, the
got,
Holy
we're running
Spirit.
out of time, so we're gonna have to wrap this up.
Oh, no pun intended.
No pun intended.
Wrap it up.
Oh, now let's look
Stack.
at this.
Gen
Look at
what
this
is Gen
high
4?
quality.
Look at that color.
Wow,
Wow.
It's
I
so
feel like
beautiful.
I
looks
feel
like
so
3D.
3D.
Yeah.
I can like sink into this.
Yeah,
It literally looks like it came
Even
right
says
out of my mother's
competitive.
womb.
Dude, it even says competitive cubing.
True.
The WC logo is probably like, are they actually like sponsors?
No, I
Look.
think it's collab.
Oh, collab. Okay, he
Collab.
has albums put
It's like
in
It
collab.
attaches right on.
Wow.
Wow.
And it doesn't come.
10 out of 10.
And guess what? It also
Yeah,
comes
they're
with a
bad.
bag.
Oh wait.
1,
Bag.
2, 3.
The Illuminati confirmed.
And
Can I pull this out? Or I pulled it out.
Whoa.
I know, use it.
Don't take off this.
Oh my
Oh, it turns on.
It
It
works!
works!
Oh!
we didn't waste
Go
$40.
next, go
This
next.
is like a very quality. This is a very quality.
High
Like
quality, high
Alright,
quality.
this is the final one. The lubrication. Alright?
Alright.
And as per usual, Ryan, bend over. Ryan, bend over. We're gonna have to do a field test right now.
Dude, if I make this a video, I'm gonna have like an Andrew and
Oh, that's
appropriate comic
Traxxas.
Holy.
Traxxas 50.
See, we cannot only use, we can't only use theoretical testing, we have to use physical testing.
The only way to test.
Our
it is, like,
experimental data.
Wait, we bought Lubical silk?
Yeah.
And DNM. Honestly, I think
Oh
you
wait,
bought
I still have DNM in my backpack from that one time you asked me to bring it to school and then you never used it.
Bruh, why is this?
Donate.
Wait, yeah, that was like.
I can donate. It's like the thing you gave to me.
Hold, hold, these cubes aren't even done.
Alright, let's make labels.
Well, yeah, I would be like.
Okay, I'm after you.
Are we sticking on labels?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, that concludes our unboxing video for
Thanks for watching, guys.
Remember
Hit
to
that-
like and
remember-
subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Why am I
Hit that
getting- why am I
notification
getting-
bell.
Thank you,
It's
student
right here,
council.
right?
Thank you, Student Council.
Show you my son forward this image.